Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G30, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key, select power off, and once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and the volume down. So both of the keys at the same time. And from here, using volume keys, you want to scroll till you see recovery mode, confirm it with power key, give it a second, and it should take us to Android with no command. There we go. So hold power key, press volume up once, and there we go. We are now in the recovery mode where we can access Fastboot mode. Again, using volume keys, you want to scroll down to a third option called Enter Fastboot, power key to confirm it, and there we go, Fastboot mode. So that is how you would boot into it, and from here you have a couple different options. As you can see, Reboot System now, which will take us back to Android, Enter Recovery, which will take us back one step, Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us back to the first weird looking menu, and simply power off the device. So again, whatever you select, you confirm with power key. Now, because I wanted to leave, I selected Reboot System now, which will now reboot the device and go back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.